The true tone is a unique instrument in that it's the only one available that allows you to add true intonation to your voice. I'm sure you've heard Tony speak with his true tone already. As an excellent speaker, Tony uses the true tone to its fullest potential. This is an excellent target to reach for, but please keep in mind that everybody's anatomy is different and each person has had a different amount of radiation therapy and a different surgery operation. While you're striving for this goal, please be patient and don't get frustrated, but just do the best you can and feel good about your voice. After all, the goal is to express yourself to the best of your capabilities. To learn to use the intonation of the True Tone speech aid, let's start with the basics. An excellent question to demonstrate its capabilities is the question, "How are you?" Because you can stress each of the different words, and it's a very simple question. You could ask, "How are you?" Or you could ask, "How are you?" If you're bored, you could say, "How are you?" The true tone is the only instrument that allows you to ask this question in this manner. The best way to practice asking the question is to start out by buzzing the instrument in your hand like this. Now when you're asking the question, press the button soft for a low tone and increase the pressure to get a higher tone. Now while you're asking this question, if you want to say, "How are you?" you would press the button soft, then firm, then soft again before releasing the button. I'll demonstrate that. And that's how you would ask, "How are you?" Now we'll demonstrate it using my voice.
How are you?
As you can tell, I pressed firmly for R, so the "How are you" gave you intonation.
How are you?
If you want to, you can stress "you" instead of "How are you?"
How are you?
Now when you're ending your sentence with a higher note, such as the "you," "How are you?" you want to release the button quickly so that you don't get the tone slowly decaying.
How are you?
If you release the button slowly, you'll get this action.
How are you?
To start out a sentence with a high note, you need to snap the button down as quickly as you can. I'll demonstrate that now.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
We've got a friend in Connecticut who has an active personality. He likes to show off his true tone whenever the pretty girls walk by. He does it by saying this.
Wow!
You too can express yourself with the True Tone artificial larynx.